Hey guys, I'm Sandy and welcome back. I have for you an easy grab-and-go breakfast meal prep that you can make ahead of time so that you can press that snooze button a few extra times before having to get up. I'm going to be making yogurt parfaits, and I have 3 different flavors that you're sure to love. I will be making a chunky monkey, a very berry, and a Pina colada. And all these recipes, I'm going to be using Greek yogurt of different flavors that I found at my local grocery store. Feel free to use whatever favorite brand you like. I will have the recipe link down below and timestamps if you want to jump to a particular parfait. So I'm super excited, let's get started. Okay, so the first yogurt parfait I'm going to be making is Chunky Monkey. I have here some vanilla Greek yogurt that I started with, and to that I'm going to add a tablespoon of peanut butter. Mix it in really well so it's nice and blended. And look guys, we just made peanut butter yogurt. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start layering. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to add are bananas that I cut into large chunks. Then we're gonna add in the peanut butter yogurt that we just made. Now another layer of bananas. And I have here a chocolate chia granola mix. I also have some peanut butter chips. And to top it off, I have some dark chocolate that I'm gonna shade. And there, all done. Chunky Monkey Yogurt Parfait. Doesn't it look great? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. It's so creamy. It actually tastes like a dessert. You can't believe this actually for breakfast. It has so much protein in it. It's gonna keep you full all day long. And this is really great for those peanut butter lovers out there too. So this is the Chunky Monkey. So the next yogurt parfait I have is Very Berry. And to start, I have some blackberries here. I'm gonna mash them down. And once they're mashed, I'm gonna add it to my yogurt. I have here a triple berry yogurt that I found, but you can always use strawberry or blueberry. Go ahead and mix it up really well. And do you see the color, guys? It's starting to turn purple. It's beautiful. Look at that. So once we have that down, we're gonna begin layering. So to begin layering, I'm gonna start with the berries first. I have here a mixture of blueberries and blackberries that I'm gonna lay down at the bottom. Then I'm gonna add on that gorgeous purple yogurt that we just made. I have here some blueberry granola that I found. We're gonna add another layer of the berries on top. And I have here a mixture of flaxseed and chia seeds that I'll sprinkle on the top. All right, and that's it, guys. This is the Very Berry Yogurt Parfait. I'm pretty excited to try this out. Let's see how it is. This yogurt is so good. You can taste all the berries in it. I love the color. And look, you see the color difference here? It's so delicious. And the granola is so crunchy. I love it. All right, that's the very berry yogurt parfait. So the last yogurt parfait I have is the Pina colada. And to start, I have some pineapple that I cut into chunks. And I found this coconut yogurt that has the right subtleness of coconut flavor in it. Then I'm gonna add another layer of the pineapple in. And I found some toasted coconut and honey granola. I also found this fresh coconut that I'm going to add. And if you can't find this, you can go ahead and just add some coconut flakes. And there we have it, a Pina colada yogurt parfait. So can't wait to try this one. This one is so good. This is like a tropical burst in my mouth. The yogurt is just the right subtleness of coconut. These coconut granola is like really good too. And then these fresh coconut, if you can find this, this would be a really great addition to your yogurt parfait. But there I have it, the Pina colada. You see how easy these were to make? Now you have no reason to skip breakfast again. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it helps kickstart your metabolism and gives you energy to focus all day long. And we all need that, right guys? So you can make these in advance and keep them in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Just make sure you keep the granola and the other toppings that you want to stay crunchy aside. And enjoy sleeping a little longer knowing that you have these ready to go in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed this breakfast meal prep episode, and thanks for watching. Have a monster-rific day. Bye!